video I'm going to make some miniature fall decorations. First I'm going to make some apple cider donuts. First I'm just going to take this little ball of clay. I'm just using green because I don't really have the color for the actual apple cider donut. I'm going to paint it after though. First I just squash it down a little bit, like that, and I'm going to take a toothpick, poke a hole in the middle, then widen it a little bit. Now I'm going to make some more. Now I'm going to bake these in the oven for probably about 7 minutes. Now that these apple cider donuts are baked, I'm going to paint them sort of a brownish color. After I painted the donuts, I'm going to add some salt or sand on top to make the sugar. First add glue to make sure that it will stick. Let's make some apple cider donuts. I'm going to make a pumpkin mug. First I'm going to take a ball of clay again, and I'm going to sort of shape it like this. I poked the top of it with a pencil eraser so it got kind of an indent. I'm going to take a toothpick to make marks on the side like a pumpkin. I'm just going to take a snake of clay. I put it on the side of the mug like a handle. I'm going to bake this for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint it orange. It might need multiple coats. I also added some white stuff inside for the drink in the pumpkin mug. Now I'm going to make a bunch of different cookies. For these I'm going to take a small circle of clay and I'm just going to crush it down like this. And then do the same thing again, but this time it's a smaller piece. And then just put it on top of the other one like icing. And I'm just gonna make more. Then I'm going to bake these for probably 5 minutes. Now I'm going to make some shaped cookies. For a mushroom cookie, I'm going to take a ball of clay like this, and I'm just going to flatten it, push up the bottom, so that it becomes this half circle sort of shape. Then I take this little snake of clay, and I'm going to put it behind this. To make a mushroom. For a ghost, I just take a little ball, and I'm going to roll it like this. And then flatten it. You can also make a pumpkin shape by just flattening a ball and then adding a little stem at the top. And then you can also do a candle by shaping it like this. I just add a little triangle to the top. And I'm just going to bake these shaped ones for probably 5 minutes. For any size pumpkin, you can just take a ball and then a toothpick to make 3 marks, like this. I'm going to start by painting all the cookies with the base color of this peachish cookie color. And then some orange for the icing. I also painted the ghost cookies.
Icing for the others too.
Now I'm going to make a pumpkin cake, so I just take this large ball of clay. Now I take a toothpick and I'm just going to make some marks on it. Now I take this little piece to use as the stem. Now I'm going to use this piece of clear plastic to cut out a slice. Now I'm going to bake this for 7 minutes. I also painted the inside of the pumpkin cake peach with some white stripes to make a bunch of little food accessories for fall. That will be perfect for the Halloween party. Now I'm going to make a ghost pillow. I start by taking 2 rounded shapes like this out of white fabric, and I sew them together all the way around the sides except for the bottom. Then I turn it inside out and fill it with stuffing and then sew it closed. Then I added 3 circles. I just glued these on for the eyes and the mouth to make a ghost pillow. Perfect for the sofa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye!
Aha! See you. Happy Halloween.